Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and review of the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So this is the true wireless earphones announced by Samsung this year. This is the improvement over the Buds launched last year. So now we have the Buds Plus, which has been improved on a lot of counts. The sound quality has improved, the mic performance has improved, and the battery life has also improved. So we'll talk about all those things in this video. First, let's unbox this beautiful true wireless earphones. Now these are priced 11,999 in India, that's 12,000 rupees in India. They're premium wireless earphones which offers true great sound quality and a lot of additional features as well. So let's get started with unboxing. So this very small box package, and you can see the features mentioned here. 11 hours of playback time, then a two-way speaker for rich sound, then a triple mic for clear voice calls, and Qi compatible wireless charging is included, and the sound is tuned by AKG. So these are the earbuds. Now let's open this one. So let's this comes in different colors. In fact, we have the white, blue and the black variant. So we have the black variant. Now let's open this. So you can see that these are the earphones. We'll just take this out. So there you go. So these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus earphones. So let's come back to this in a while. We'll see what else comes inside. So in this package you get the charging cable. It's a USB Type-C charging cable, the standard charging cable. Then you get additional ear tips included. So you can see that there are a few ear tips included. So there you go. We just take this out. So you can see that additional ear tips are included here. So these are the ones included. You can change based on how you want, how comfortable you are with these ear tips. So you can change that. So two additional pairs are included. If you want to change from the default one, you can go ahead and change it. So that's the purpose for these additional ear tips. So that gives additional comfort because based on your ear size, so you can actually tune that. So that's the option. Now let's see what else comes inside. So you also get a manual and warranty information. So this is the manual and warranty. So just taking this out. So there you go. You can see that warranty information and a quick start guide included. So these are the options available. Now let's actually go to the earphones. So now let's open the box, and so you can see it's a really good, well built box. So this comes in a glossy finish. So we have the light here, the LED notification for charging. Then we have the USB Type-C port to charge this. Now next let's have a look at the specifications. So these are 6.3 grams earbuds, and the case is 40 grams, actually 39.6, and they come with non-removable batteries, and the battery capacity of the case is 270 mAh, and each earbud is around 85 mAh. So that's the battery capacity. It's 270 and 85 each on the earbuds. Now let's open this. So you can see that as soon as I open, you can see the two earbuds here, and you can see that left and right are mentioned here, and you can also see the charging light. So that's the case. You can see it's a really good premium finishing in the case. And let's take this out. So you can see the charging case. These are the option to charge. Now these are the earphones. So you can see that you can change both these ear tips and the ring around the ear tips. Those can also be changed based on your ear comfort. So you can see it's a glossy finish, but the premiumness is really good. You can see that's well built and premium earphones available. Ear tips can be changed. Now you can see that the charging ports are also included. So it's a very compact one. It's extremely compact, and we have been using for few days now, and it's extremely comfortable to use even for longer period. The entire day we are using this for receiving calls, listening to music, and even at one point of time we didn't even know that, we didn't realize that we are using these earphones. So that much comfortable they are, because over a period of time, generally most of the true wireless earphones actually gives pain in your ears. Say for example, if you are using for continuously for 3-4 hours, definitely gives pain. But this is something which is designed extremely well, and it's neatly fits into your ear, and the comfort levels are too good. Actually, it's probably the best we have tried so far out of all the true wireless earphones. So that's way the design aspect is really good on the Galaxy Buds Plus. So that's the design aspect. Next, let's discuss the technical aspects of these earbuds. Now this comes with a two-way speaker system. There is a woofer and a tweeter inside each of the earbuds, so that's a two-way speaker system, and it has 3 mics on each of the earbuds. So 2 are external mics and 1 mic is inside this. So what that gives is really crystal clear sound and voice when you're even making calls. So that's the functionality of the mic, and there are 3 mics on each bud, so that means total 6 mics and two-way system, two-way stereo speaker system. That means woofer and tweeter are included, and these are tuned by AKG and produces impressive performance altogether. We'll come to the performance aspect in a while. Apart from that, you also get these touch controls here, so we'll just highlight what all the touch controls. So you can actually customize the touch controls from the app. So there is a bit of customization options available. So firstly, what all features it comes, you can see there is a tap is to play or pause, then double tap is next song or receive or end call, then triple tap is there, that means the previous song, and touch and hold is user set function. So you can just press and hold, that function can be user set. So for that we'll just show you the app as well. So we have the Galaxy app which is called the Samsung wearable app. So we have the wearable app, so this is the app, so you can have a look at the app. So what all it shows, you can see that now we are connected and it shows the battery 99% on each earbuds. Now there is an ambient sound which actually gives your the ambient noise levels outside even when you're wearing the earbuds. So that can be set here. So you can see here you can set the ambient sound low, medium and high based on how much you want. You can set that sound. Then there is equalizer option. This is something which is really useful because we have tried all these things and it gives a really good combination of what you actually want. You have the normal sound, then bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear and treble boost. So these are the options, and you can also manage the notification, then touchpad and some general options are also included. So you can see that play and pause, lock, touchpad, then play next track, answer or end call, then previous track is triple tap, then touch and hold, you can configure the user action. So you can actually see that you can touch and hold, it can be Bixby as well as ambient sound or volume up and down. So in fact you can control the volume up and down using touch and hold functionality. So that can be configured here. Say left is like volume down and right is volume up, so that can also be configured. So you can adjust the volume levels from the Samsung's wearable app. So this can be configured here. So basically you can also customize the sound output from this app. So you can see the battery level as well. So this is very useful app. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is configured on the Samsung wearable app on the Samsung devices. You can actually install those apps. Now next, let's move on to the sound quality. So one thing what impressed us a lot is the sound quality. It has really improved, and one of the best true wireless earphones for Android users. Obviously Apple users have the AirPods. So now this is something which is really good. So it uses the Samsung's own codec instead of the aptX from Qualcomm. So it's not using the Qualcomm's aptX, but it's using the Samsung's codec, and this has pretty good mids and highs. The lows are really good. The bass performance is something which is really good. You can actually tune it based on the equalizer. Now even the mids and highs are really good. The vocals are clear, and one of the really good earbuds we have tried, and the sound quality is stellar on this. Now the bass performance, as I said before, is really good. So people who like to listen to some really good punchy tracks, you get a really good bass performance as well. Now one of the complaints in the previous Samsung buds was that the microphone quality was not good, and hence taking calls with the buds was kind of problem. But now with the 3 mic system, that's 2 mic outside and 1 mic inside, the sound quality while making calls is really good. We have been using this Buds Plus for all our calls in the last couple of days, and all the calls we received, even like a 20-25 minutes call, even those did not have any sort of issues, and even the person who were at the other end did not complain of any sort of issues. And the overall sound quality, even with making calls, is really good. So Samsung seems to have fixed that issue as well with the Samsung Buds Plus. Now talking about the battery, as I said before, there is an 85 mAh capacity battery on each buds, and the battery life is stellar on this. You can easily get 10 plus hours on a single charge, and with this charging case you can get almost like 20 to 22 hours playback with the case as well, if the case is fully charged. The buds as such gives you around 10 to 11 hours of music playback easily. So that's something really good, because most of the true wireless earphones have this issue of battery, because most of them last like 5-6 hours, but this is something which is really good. The battery life is really improved and stellar, and even if you're out of battery, this supports wireless charging as well as fast charging. 3 minutes of charging with the case gets you almost 1 hour of music playback, which is something which is stellar. You can just place it inside the case for 3 minutes and you still get 1 hour of music playback, which is really impressive. And apart from that, you also get wireless charging. The case has wireless charging. You can also reverse charge from Samsung Galaxy flagship S series devices. Also, if you have a wireless charger, you can charge it with any Qi compatible wireless charging that is also supported on this. And these earbuds have the same IPX2 rating which the previous ones had, so in that way also it is protected. Now this is something about the earbuds, the quality of the earbuds and the overall experience we had when using. So overall, if you look at the pricing at 12,000 rupees, this is one of the best true wireless earphones you can get for Android users. It is something which is really good, extremely comfortable, excellent battery life, and the sound quality is again stellar, and even the design is also really good. Now probably you can say that this does not have the Qualcomm's aptX technology. That's probably the downside, and apart from that, there is no auto playback. Say for example, if I connect, if I place it to my ears, there's no auto playback option. You have to tap on it to make auto playback, because some of them, some of the true wireless earphones do have auto playback option. So those are the just the downside. Otherwise, it's a really good stellar earphones. It's actually not very cheap. It's at 12,000 rupees when you compare with the Indian market. A lot of cheap, affordable true wireless earphones are there, but this is one of them, one of those which gives you really good sound quality, excellent battery life, wireless charging, excellent build quality, extremely comfortable even in a long time of usage. So those are the highlights of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So overall, we recommend the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus if you're looking for a premium, high quality true wireless earphones. So that's all guys with the unboxing and detailed review of the Samsung true wireless earphones. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Vimal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.